Welcome to ISTIKHARA Online. Today, we are talking about Category 1, Istikhara for general purposes. In this category, you can perform Istikhara if you are facing problems in your life. Do you want to perform Istikhara as you are facing any daily life issue but are not sure about the nature of the problem? If you are worried and not understanding what the actual problem is, there is no need to be distressed. Now, you can easily perform Istikhara. For example, if a child is affected by the evil eye, under the influence of magic, or facing any illness, you can perform Istikhara for any matter. Your question might be how to perform Istikhara and from where to get it done. Don't worry, now you can download the ISTIKHARA Online app easily from the Google Play Store. You can find the app link in the description. Download the app, register your account, and easily fill out the form for the type of Istikhara you want. Go to the Google Play Store, search for the ISTIKHARA Online app. Scroll down if needed, click on this app, and click Download. Wait for download complete, install it. Register your account, click the Sign Up with Email button. It's checking email. After checking complete, enter your name, enter your email, then click the Send Code button. To get verification code, your email and copy code, enter the code and Verify Email button. After verified, enter your password, enter PIN, and click Register button. Wow, you got 50 coins free. Log in your account. Welcome to the dashboard. Now, click on the Istikhara for General button. After the loading is complete, carefully read all the rules. Check the box and click the Submit button. Once the form opens, enter your full name, mother's name, and provide your complete details in 50 words. Clearly describe the problem you are facing for the Istikhara. If the checkbox is blinking and your balance is sufficient, you can submit with 25 coins. If your balance is insufficient, you can purchase any coins or diamonds bundle as per your preference. Congratulations! Your Istikhara has been submitted successfully. You can check it on the dashboard. If you are a paid user, you will receive a reply within 5 hours. If you are a free trial user, you will get a reply within 3 days. Download the app from the Google Play Store. You can find the link in the video description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the video.